How it is going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon White. In the last episode, we got the Source of Justice trio, Cobalion, Terrakion, and Virizion. The last time I recorded this, I completed the main game, and yeah, we have our Asami, the Serpieria, at level 52 with Miracle Seed as the ability with Leech Seed, Leaf Blade, Coil, Return, Overgrow. We have our Sky, the Unfazant, at level 49 with Fly, Return, Roost, Quickest, Super Luck, Silk Scarf. We have our Kyo, the Crocodile with Rock Slide, Crunch, Earthquake, Brick Break, Black Glasses, Moxie. You can get Brick Break from Icarus City by talking to a lady. We have our Azula, the Darmanitan at level 49 with Rock Slide, Fire Punch, Super Power, Belly Drum, Pechaberry, Sheer Force with Sheer Force as the ability. Lean at level 49 with Source Dance, Brick Break, Earthquake, Rock Slide. I got rid of Metal Claw because Steel is only super effective against 2 types and we have the defensive capabilities. So Brick Break is have coverage against normal types, but even though there is no normal type in the league, and I preferred it because of more accuracy instead of stab and more power. We have Rocky Helmet as the ability with Sand Force. Last time it had Sand Rush. And our final team member, our newest team member 2, our Ron with Big Break, Dragoness, False Swipe and Dragon Cloud with Dragon Fan, Mold Breaker. Okay, I switched up False Swipe for Earthquake, and yeah, let's go into one of the Elite Force room. So I'll go into this Elite Four room, which is Caitlyn. Also, some people likes to do right to left to right in this kind of leagues, but I like to do it in any order. And let's talk to her. How are you? How impudent you are! Disturb me to sleep. You appear to possess a combination of strength and kindness very well. Make your best effort to not burn me with a yawn, including battle clear. Here we go. Hilbert versus Elephant number 1, Psychic Trap leader, Psychic Trap Elfo, Caitlyn. I said okay. From the previous attempts where I grinded on my first attempt before my brother deleted all the footage. Crunch can't KO that thing if you are at level 40s, but it will at level 50. And it's basically a sweep now because, oh no, we can survive this, but so bye bye Siglif. Black Glasses 2. It's an overkill, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And we got to 54. You haven't faced Jarl of the Elite Four members yet, have you? Don't concern about yourself, go on ahead. I'm gonna heal up. Okay, so I healed up our party and let's go into this room. Eyes brimming with dark flame, this man resisted everything other than himself in order to bring about one singular justice. That's an art of novel I'm writing. I was just inspired by the challenger who was just here and somehow I got little sad. Excuse me, you're challenger, right? I'm the elite for a ghost type Pokemon user Chantal and I'll be surely your opponent. Here we go. Hilbert vs. Elephant number 2, ghost type expert Chantal. Also, every time you battle her, she's a different line and the different line is referencing to we can survive this. What? Last time little bit higher than this. Referencing an Elite Four member. Sorry, not an Elite Four. A person like birth. Okay, we can snowball her. I'm under level from the previous attempt in Azulon. We can snowball her. Goaler. I can earthquake. Bye bye. You're not that bulky. Oh, Kyo is just MURDA. Chantal is gone. Kyo 55. We defeated Chantal. So sorry, first time I apologized to my Pokemon. I'm real sorry you had a bad experience of me because of it's not your fault. This is how battles always are, even in light of that. Okay, I'm gonna heal up and I'm gonna grind up our Azulon. Okay, let's go into this room. Last time I recorded, I went into Grimsley's room, but everybody does Marshall 4th. I done Marshall 4th, so I want to do him 3. And let's talk to him. Greetings, Challenger. My name is Marshall. In order to master the art of fighting, I'm training under my mentor Alder. My mentor sees your potential as trainer and is taking interest in you. It's my intention to test you to take you to the limits of strength. Kia! Here we go. Hilbert versus Elfo number 3, fighting type expert. Marshall. Also, it's really cool that Adris is mentor and I learn karate. So I know what he just said. Said here. Also, why didn't I have bye bye sky? Oh, bye bye. Yuff me, dude. Yuff me. Also, Kyo and Earthquake at level 54, but I'm not asked to enter Concordo. Why didn't I get the Moxie boost? Ah, cause Mold Breaker maybe? Yeah, I think Mold Breaker. Also, no, I think I got it. Ah, this thing is going to be pain in the ass, right? You know what? I can snowball this guy. Bye bye, Marshall. You will be never remember. Ah. Yeah, last time he gave me a lot of trouble. He's giving me a lot of trouble now. Look at this colorful Mose. Don't KO me with threat. Yes, DC. KO. Yeah, you have mold breakers, so Starry doesn't. Okay, he's the hardest so far. Wow, well done. As your battles continue for everything heights. I'm gonna heal up. Surprisingly enough, he's the fastest lift for I've beaten, even though he defeated so many of my Pokemon. Sometimes life is like that. Also, Lin never got to shine, and Asami too. Also, I should have used some ethers. I don't know if I even have them. Stuck to the next episode. Man, oh man, what's going on today? Channel is coming right after another. Well, no matter. I'm going to save the Elfer and I will fulfill my duty to be your opponent. Here we go. Hilbert versus Elfer number 4, Dark type expert. Grimsley opened up with this crafty, which is an fighting type. So, Sky. I had cell attack. Asami. Okay, fine. Asami, sorry. But sacrifices has to be made. I know this is not a Nuzlocke. Intimidate. Stone Edge is coming in my way. I know it. I can predict that. Or it could just be foul play. Rock Helmet coming in clutch. Wow, what? I didn't remember that Grimsley is this hard. Big brain strategies right there. Yeah. Sucker punch? No? Okay. Leopard. Wow, he's surprisingly enough, he's the hardest. I never expected him to be the hardest, but yeah. Astonishing, you have defeated every member of the Pokemon League Elite Four, but it isn't over yet. There's more. That's what's up, episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Let's Pokemon White. Peace.